Want to install Minecraft for free? I'll show you exactly how to get it. The legit way, on PC, Android, or iOS. Open your browser and search. Minecraft download. Click the first official link. That's minecraft.net. Once you're there, you'll see options to download Minecraft for Windows, Android, iOS, and more. Click Download for Windows or your platform, and the installer file will begin downloading. Once it's done, click the .exe file, accept the agreement, and hit Install. Wait a moment, and boom! Minecraft is now installed on your device. If it helped, like the video and subscribe for more free game tips and quick tutorials.